You wanna come with me? I can see it in your eyes. It's a feeling that you can't deny. I'll bring you high so deep, so we can feel alive. Leave the world behind. Let yourself go. Enjoy the ride. And if we fall, don't forget to just go with the vibe. Let yourself go. Enjoy the ride. And if we fall, don't forget to just go with the vibe.
And a really hot weekend, so you're happy, I think. Yes, your best result at the moment, of course, in the European FIA Autocross Championship, so congratulations.
Yeah, definitely. I had the speed, I think, in the qualification heats. My first victory in the European Championship in the heat, and yeah, in the end got a small trophy to look at and motivate myself to go and train harder for the next stage.
Exactly. Now some relax, some days off, and then Nova Paka, one of the best track in the Europe.
Yeah, they say that Nova Paka is like in Formula 1 Monaco, in autocross it's Nova Paka, so definitely looking up for the weekend, and gonna get some rest for a few days and watch some videos and hopefully be ready for Nova Paka.